how to convert Figma design to HTML and CSS. Figma tutorial. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, once again, we will be focusing on Figma. If you're searching for a cutting-edge design and collaboration software, click the link in the description box below to sign up and get started with Figma today. Now, the first step that we're going to be doing is, of course, selecting a design that we would like to convert from Figma to HTML or CSS. Now, the design I will be using is this design over here, and we will be converting it. Now, to be able to convert our very simple design, we will be using a very simple plugin as well. So, I'm not going to convert this entire design that I have over here. I'm simply going to convert one page. So, for example, let's select one page over here. For example, we could select this page over here. So what we could do, and the next step that we should be doing is using the plugin. Now, the plugin that we will be using is called Teleport HQ. So simply select your plugin option over here under resources. Then you have your plugin. And as you can see, I already have been using Teleport HQ. So simply search for Teleport HQ on the search bar, and you will be able to see this option, of course, the Teleport HQ, export, HTML, CSS, and other things as well. And as you can see, this is our Teleport HQ plugin. So simply select the specific object that you would like to get started with. So this is products. So let's say products added, for example. And right now, it will inform you whether it is a bad page, depending on whether it is, as you can see, layout weighting. Now, the layout weighting will be different, but of course, yes, I know the design is not that great. It's just a very simple trial design, so we're going to go with it either way. So after that, after selecting the elements or the element that you want to convert, of course, simply select the copy the objects to clipboard or export as a new project. So let's click on export as a new project. And as you can see, it's going to copy all of it. And now we will be redirected to their platform. Now my pop-up is blocked, but let's go and be redirected anyway. And we will be redirected to their website, which is Teleport HQ. Now I recommend that you create an account in Teleport HQ beforehand. And as you can see, simply save project. As you can see, we're saving it. So simply wait for a few seconds. There we go. And now it will convert our design into a project. Now, this might not work with my design since my design is a very not that great design. So it might, like it said, the design rating was bad. So the conversion might be different as well. As you can see, for example, there we go. This is, it looks similar. It looks very accurate, but there will be some movement over here. Now, what you can do is just, you could change the text into a specific font that you want since it's not going to be able to copy it entirely. You could also change the sizing. For example, this one, let's go and turn it to 1:8. There we go. Our design would require us to move that things around so that everything would look accurate. For example, this one. So let's fix our design over here for a bit since the conversion is a bit messy. It was able to convert it, of course, into their platform. But at the same time, our different part of the design is also changed. So what this is what we're doing. I accidentally made it. There we go. So simply fix the parts of the elements that you have. Let's extend this. Well, anyway, you get the idea. You could modify it again. Fix the stuff around because the conversion will not be perfect. It's going to copy most of it, of course, but not entirely perfect. But assuming we have already created or have converted perfectly, the design is in the right places. Now, the next thing that you're going to do to be able to convert it is simply clicking on this option over here, generate code. So simply click on generate code and you have the option to select the type of code over here, of course. And it's the code over here. It will be produced just for you. You can simply how to convert Figma to WordPress tutorial. You can simply highlight this and select the parts that you want to convert, or rather you want to copy. And you can change it. For example, you have CSS right now. So this is like the main. JS. So this is the JavaScript. And you have here your CSS itself. You have your inline styles over here. There we go. This is like the HTML. I think over here, this is like the another code. You could change. There we go. This is the HTML over here. You could convert it to React, Vue, Angular, HTML, or UIDL. Let's go with HTML. And this will be the HTML of our design over here. And this is the CSS, of course, as well. Then you can simply copy this and paste it on your IntelliJ or your VS Code, any platform that you're using to code, of course, and you will be able to convert and use the design that you have just converted in Teleport HQ. Very simple and very straightforward. Now, let's try one more time. Let's go with this title page this time, HQ. But make sure that we delete this for now. Since I'm using a free version, I am only able to convert one project. So if you want to convert multiple pages, I suggest that you convert one page and then delete it, then do it over and over again. If you want to be using the free version, then over here, export as a new project. This time it has lesser items, and we will be redirected. The same process, of course, will be waiting for it to convert our design, and then we will be able to, as you can see, save it, save project, follow the instruction, follow the process. It's not too hard, even though if you're a beginner, it's not going to be too confusing for you to be able to follow the process. And there we go. We have our design over here, and most of the things are present, as you can see. And then you can move stuff around as well. Put it over here. Here we go. And we could extend this, and we could fix the lining as well. There we go. And this one is a bit not centered. We could make this one smaller. There we go. Just like that. And now our design is very much super accurate. Very accurate, our design over here. So what we could do next is the same process. Click on generate code. Select the type of code that you want to have over here. HTML. You will automatically get the HTML option and CSS over here. You could simply click on copy over here on the top right, and you will be able to copy the code. You can also change different things as well if you want, like the primary, the success, the danger, the text over here, and the layouts. You could change them as well if you want. You will be able to add those things to your design as well. And after that, that's basically it. You will be able to get your HTML and CSS code with your design in Figma through this method. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.